For 5 years, there has been a ghost haunting the halls of Apple Park. A machine that was once the pinnacle of professional desk setups, only to be cast aside, discontinued, and replaced by a messy web of external monitors and silver boxes. I'm talking about the iMac Pro. Since 2021, pros have been begging, screaming, and pleading for an all-in-one that doesn't just look like a colorful toy for a dorm room. We wanted the black-on-black aesthetic. We wanted the raw, unbridled power of the Ultra chips. We wanted the screen that makes your jaw drop every time you wake it up. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Well, if you've been holding your breath, you can finally exhale. Because in 2026, the silence is over. The leaks are no longer just whispers from supply chain analysts, they are a roar. The Apple iMac Pro is back, and it isn't just a spec bump. It is a fundamental reimagining of what a professional workstation looks like. If you were planning on buying a Mac Studio and a Studio display this month, I'm telling you right now, stop. Put your credit card back in your wallet. Because what is coming in the next few months will make every current desktop setup look like ancient history. Let's talk about the screen first, because that is why we are all here. The current 24-inch iMac is a beautiful machine, but for a professional editor, a colorist, or a developer, it feels like looking through a keyhole. The 2026 iMac Pro is shattering that limitation with a massive 32-inch Pro Display XDR panel built right into the chassis. We aren't talking about standard LEDs here. This is tandem OLED technology, the same breakthrough tech Apple debuted in the M4 iPads, but scaled up to a massive 6K resolution. Imagine the deepest blacks you've ever seen, a peak brightness of 1600 nits, and a contrast ratio that makes images look like they are floating in mid-air. This isn't just a monitor, it is a window into your work. But a pretty screen is nothing without the muscle to back it up. Under the hood, Apple is doing something they have never done in an all-in-one before. The 2026 iMac Pro is confirmed to be the launch vehicle for the M5 Ultra. For the first time, we are seeing a unified thermal architecture that allows a desktop chip of this magnitude to breathe inside a slim enclosure. We're talking about a 24-core CPU and up to a 76-core GPU. This is Mac Pro level performance sitting on your desk with a single power cable. No clutter. No mess. Just pure, unadulterated speed. If you're a 3D animator using Octane or a video editor pushing 8K ProRes RAW, you know the struggle of thermal throttling. You know that sound of fans ramping up like a jet engine. But the 2026 iMac Pro utilizes a new vapor chamber cooling system inspired by high-end gaming rigs but refined with Apple's obsessive silence. It stays whisper quiet while it renders your most complex timelines. This is the Pro promise fulfilled. And then there is the aesthetic. The space gray of the old iMac Pro was legendary, but for 2026, Apple is going darker. Rumors point to a midnight obsidian finish, a matte, deep black aluminum that absorbs light and minimizes distractions. The bezels, practically gone. Apple has finally figured out how to hide the Face ID sensors behind the display panel, giving us a true edge-to-edge experience without a notch or a massive chin. For the first time in a decade, the iMac chin is dead.